We are outside again. I'm just trying to take pictures of him. And I'm trying to do a review for my sister. Stanley is wearing an outfit from my sister. She have a clothing line, and she sells clothes for kids. And this is the outfit that I'm going to do a review for her. Stanley is playing tetherball. Hi, baby. Smile. Can you smile for mommy? Smile. You zoned out, baby. You zoned out, baby. Hi. Oh, careful. Careful, Stanley. Be careful. Let's go check the mail. Let's go see if there's any mail for us, baby. Come on, baby. Stanley, let's go. Careful, baby, you don't want to trip. You want to pick a flower for mommy? Cái để bắt được mommy lo. Hả? Có đẻ chị à? Có đẻ nhỏ xứ. You're just picking up grasses for me, maybe? Are you picking up flower for me? Yeah? you ready to go inside? You want to go swimming? The pool is closed today. Yeah, they closed the pool today. Huh? Let's go inside. No? He said no. He disagreed. What? Come on, let's go, baby. Huh? Go. Come on, baby. Take off your shoe. Take off your shoe. The coat. Yeah. Take off the coat. She was complaining.
In my room complaining. Hi.
Yeah, good job. Take off your shoe.
Why are you so handsome?
Why were you complaining, Lavender?
Why are you just handsome?
I'm just doing a review for Serena. Panachi. What are you eating? Yummy, huh? Fried rice? Yeah? Buka? Yummy? Yummy? Okay. Hi, Mama. Hi. Qua chị gọi. Why? Ô, từ ba nhỏ na. Anh chào cái nhỏ nó lên. Huh? Don't do that. Hi. No, you don't be mean like that. Hey. Qua chị gọi. Don't do that. ก็โซ่ก่อนนะก็chỉชอบเผ็ดๆนะโอเคHi. Boo. Are you done? Done? Okay. I'll come clean you up. Stanley, it's shower time.
Ew, you keep making that face.
Show mommy the face you're making. Smile, cheese, smile. Don't do that. Mình chắc không ở đây à? Bye. Mình chắc không ở đây à? Okay.
Every time he sees me, he makes that ugly face with his nose squinting at me. It's like a love-hate thing we have.
Let's go get your sister. Lavender, it's bath time. Hi. It's bath time, Mama. Cô cho cô tụi mình xem đã đẻ. It's bath time. Hi. Ông đã đẻ. Cheese. Yeah, I know. You're so cute. Careful. Stanley. Okay, say bye, everyone. Say bye. Say bye. Okay, blow kisses. Okay.